The code M0116 in your Bobcat loader or telehandler means air filter not connected. Of course, it doesn't have anything to do with the filter itself, but with the sensor on the back side of the filter housing. This is the vacuum sensor that is normally closed, and it opens just in cases there is high pressure in the system for some reason, to compensate for the vacuum issue. These sensors are quite often faulty and require replacement, and they are the #1 reason why you can see the M0116 code or also air filter warning on the screen. Fortunately, the sensor itself is not expensive and it's quite easy to replace on your own. The code will reset once the problem is solved, but before you buy the sensor, it makes sense to check its connector. Sometimes the connection may be intermittent due to corroded connector. If you notice any traces of corrosion, you should clean the connector with a good contact cleaner and see if it erases the code. If nothing helps you, there is a very slight chance that the connection is lost in another module like the gateway controller or somewhere else in the harness connecting these units. In this case, it's hard to fix the issue without professional help.